Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen what is question tag. But after that, we have seen many other videos too. Grammar is a thing when you don't recall, you will forget everything. That is why this is the quick revision session on what is question tag and its examples. So firstly, we will quickly revise all the rules and then we'll go in a questions. At the end of the video, you will get some exercise that you have to solve. Firstly, see what were the rules. What is question tag? The question tag are formed with the auxiliary or modal verb with the appropriate subject, right? Second is when a positive sentence is there, it would be followed by a negative question tag and the negative sentence will be followed by a positive question tag. Then our next rule was when the modal verb in the sentence is not present. So what is modal verb? Modal verb is am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, should, could, and many more. When they are not present in a sentence, that time we have to check our given verb is in which tense. If it is in simple past, that time we have to use did. When it is in simple present, then we have to choose do or does depending upon what type of subject you are having. Okay. Then our third exception. The third exception was whenever the sentence is starting with I am, that time you have to use tag as aren't I. For example, I am a worker, answer will be I am a worker, comma, aren't I. Second exception was whenever a given sentence is imperative. When a sentence is imperative, the answer will be will or won't depending upon your sentence. For example, don't stop there only, answer will be will you, not won't you, because our question is negative, right? The third exception was imperative sentence again, but in this case the sentence will start with let's. Whenever the sentence is start with let's or let us, that time we have to use tag as shall. Okay, so these were the rules. Now are you ready for solving examples? So let's see an examples. First example is I don't need to finish this work today. Question itself is negative, so tag will be positive. Let's see an options. First three options are negative. That is why you will get quickly answer as positive, that is do I. Right? Let's see another example. It was raining yesterday. The question is positive, so tag will be negative. The negative tags are option second and third, but our verb is was. So past tense, the negative of was is wasn't, and the subject is it. That is why option will be wasn't it. Let's get in third example. The third example is Jerry eats cheese. It is a case when modal verb is not present, and our case is it's. It is simple present. Simple present means you have to use do or does. But here doesn't is there and does is there. Which we have to use? We have to use doesn't because our sentence is positive, right? Let's get in another example. He is never on time. Sentence is negative. That is why our tag will be positive. Let's see options. First three all are negative. So answer will be is he. So the complete sentence will be he is never on time, comma, is he, question mark. Next is John must stay. Must is a modal auxiliary, right? That is why our answer will be negative form of must. That is mustn't he. Option number 1. So the complete answer will be John must stay, comma, mustn't he. Next question. They live in London. Live. It is not a modal verb. That is why we have to check the tense. Sentence is saying it is simple present. So our answer will be do or does. Therefore 3 and 4 will be eliminated. So option will be either 1 or 2. But the sentence is positive, so tag will be negative. So option will be first. Don't they? The complete answer will be they live in London, don't they? Next example, he didn't call me. It is a negative sentence. So tag will be positive. Let's see the options. All four are the positive. That is why we need to check one by one. The our verb is didn't. Positive is did. So option will be 1. Did he? The complete answer will be he didn't call me, comma, did he? Next is don't stop there only. If you remember, it is the question which we have seen in our first video also and the starting of the video also. So the answer will be will you, because it is an imperative case. Next is I am sitting next to you. It is a positive sentence, so tag will be negative. Let's see the options. Yeah, first option is negative one, so answer will be aren't I directly. And the second hint will be the sentence is starting with I am. Whenever the sentence is starting with I am, the tag is aren't I, right? So option 1 is right. So the answer will be I am sitting next to you, comma, aren't I? Next is let us go to the movie. Whenever the sentence is starting with let us, that time we have to use tag as shall. But shall he or shall we? Shall we, because let us is there, right? So this was our questions that we have seen in the today's video, and your homework is you have to take any 5 sentences and you have to make tags, and you can put the answers in the comment section only, right? Thank you for the watching video.